Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is finding the discount and sale price of an item using percentage. Okay, so yung formula ng discount, that is original price times rate of discount. Tapos yung sale price naman is original price minus natin sa discount. Okay? So let's proceed to example number 1. Find the discount and the sale price of a t-shirt that has an original price of 300 if the discount rate is 25%. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, kunin natin yung discount. Di na lang ilagay ko ha. So yung formula natin is original price times rate of discount. Rate of discount. So therefore, yung discount is original price natin is 300 pesos times rate na 25%. Okay? So, i-multiply lang natin yan. 25 times 300. Or alisin na lang natin yung ganyan man yan, di ba? So, alisin natin dalawang 0. Idagdag na lang natin mamaya. So, 3 times 25, 0.25 pala. So, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Dagdag natin yung dalawang 0. Okay, tapos yung decimal natin is dalawa, 1, 2. 1, 2. So, this is 75. Ito yung discount. 75 pesos. So, yung sale price, okay, yung sale price natin, so that is original price minus discount. Ganun lang. So, yung original price is 300. Okay? Sale price. Minus natin sa discount na 75 pesos. Sama na kung 7 eh. So, yung sale price, so 300 minus 75, that is 225 pesos. Okay? So, yung discount natin na hinahanap ay yung 75 pesos at saka yung sale price na hinahanap ay 225 pesos. Okay, next, number 2 example. So, the first 10 persons who will purchase a refrigerator that is originally cost 18,999 can avail a discount of 38%. Okay? Mr. Hindi makita kasi natabunan dito ha sa record. Then was lucky to avail the item at its sale price. Find how much he was able to save through a discount and how much he was able to avail the refrigerator. Okay, so ganun pa rin ang yung gagawin natin. Kunin pa rin natin yung discount at saka yung sale price. So, unahin muna natin yung discount. Yung discount, that is, yung formula niya is original price. Okay? Multiply natin sa rate of discount. So, yung discount, original price na 18,999. Multiply natin sa rate. Yung rate natin is 38%. Okay? Then, yung discount, so kapag i-multiply natin yan si 18,999, multiply natin kay 0.38 or 38%. So, that is, kayo na lang mag-compute ha kung ano nyo sa bahay. 7,219.62. Okay? So, ngayon, kunin na naman natin yung sale price. Sale price. Yung sale price, that is original price. Okay? Minus discount. Okay? So, sell price equals original price na 18,999 minus natin sa discount na 7,219. Laki na yung discount niya. So, yung sell price, yung babayaran na lang ni Mr. Sino ba yan? So, that is, 18,999 minus 7,219.62. That is 11,779.38. Okay, so laki-laki din yung na-save niya. Nakasave siya ng 7,219. So, let's proceed to example number 3. A post says that a mathematics book is on sale, which costs 440 after a discount rate of 12% was deducted. Okay? What is the original price? So, take note, yung formula natin sa original price, so original price is equal to sell price divided by 1 minus discount rate. So, yung original price natin equal sell price. Yung sell price is 440. Okay, divide natin kay 1 minus discount rate na 12%. Okay, so original price na 440, divide natin yan kay 1 minus 0.12% or 0.12%. So, 1 minus 1.00 yan, ha? Then, minus 0.12. Subtract natin yan, that is 10. So, 8 ito. Ito, 9. So, minus 1 is 8. So, 0.88. So, original price is equal to 440 pesos. Divide natin kay 0.88. So, divide natin yan. 440 divide kay 0.88. So, since meron decimal dito, i-move natin siya to the right ng dalawang beses para magiging whole number. 1, 2. So, 88 na yan. Dito rin, dagdag tayo ng dalawang 0. Okay, so hanap tayo ng number na i-multiply natin sa 88. The result is 44,000 or less. So, 88 times natin kay 4 kulang. So, 5. Ilan eh? 40. 8 times 5, 40 plus 4, 44. Okay, try natin si 5. So, that is 440. Bring down 0. Okay. So, 0. So, bring down 0. So, 0. 0 pa rin dyan. 0. Bring down 0. So, 0. So, 500. So, yung original price, that is 500 pesos. Okay, so number 4 na tayo. Last example. During the pandemic or pandemic, many Filipinos became plantito and plantita. Isa na ako sa plantito. Reynalyn is one of them. She bought a plant on its sale price of 328 pesos. She was given a discount rate of 27%. How much was the discount given for her? Okay, to solve the discount, the original price must be computed first. So, kunin muna natin yung original price. Okay, so, yung original price, ang formula natin, yung kanina, that is sell price, divided by 1 minus discount. Discount rate. Okay? Ayusin natin. Sinsya na kayo sa agin ako. So, original price. So, yung sale price is 328. Okay? Minus 1 minus, minus divide. So, 1 minus 27%. So, yung original price is 328. So, 1 minus 27. Ayan. So 10, that is 3. This is 9. Okay, 0.73. Okay? So, divide natin yan kay 0.73. Okay? So, that is, kung i-compute natin yan, compute nyo na lang, yung original price natin is 449.32. Naka-round off na yan. Okay, so after natin makuha si original price, isolve na natin yung discount. And discount, that is equal to okay, kunin muna natin yung sale price. Ay, no, hindi siya sale price. Discount na lang. Okay, to solve the discount. Okay, so discount natin is that is equal to original price minus sale price. Ganun pala yun. Wala ko kadali. So, yung discount, original price natin na 449.32 minus sale price na, asan yung sale price? 328. So discount is equal to, kung i-subtract natin yan, 449 minus 32, 449.32 minus 328. So that is 121.32 pesos. Okay po. So maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.